Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this video, what I want to teach you is how to easily generate targeted paid traffic for affiliate marketing. Now, you can see some of the results on the screen of what I've been able to generate, making $1,000 or $2,000 a day online with affiliate marketing. And what I'm going to do is break down a very, very powerful yet simple method that you can use to generate paid traffic. Now, this method has very little moving pieces. A lot of the traffic, if you do paid traffic online, it has a lot of different complex pieces. You have to overlook a lot of things. You have to test a lot of things. Well, the method I'm going to share with you inside of this video has very, very little moving pieces. Now, this is perfect for beginners or seasoned marketers to start to get leads and sales. If you've never done paid traffic before, or maybe you've tried and you've quit because it's been complicated or overwhelming, this method is going to be perfect for beginners because, again, it has very little moving pieces, as you'll see in a second. And it's incredibly easy to scale your results. Again, you're not going to have to, do a lot of work to scale. Once you start seeing something work, which, again, I'll share more information in a second, you can easily scale it up to start to make 10 times the amount of money you started with. So it's very, very powerful. Now, what I want to share with you, though, is be sure you stay until the very end of the video, because what I'm going to do is share with you a bonus tip to 10x your income, and you do not want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Now, what paid traffic source am I referring to? Well, we're going to use solo ads. Now, maybe you've never heard of solo ads before and you don't know what this is. I'm going to break down exactly how they work and how you can make profit with them. Or maybe you've tried them in the past and you didn't really make the money you want. I'm going to share with you some key inside secrets that, again, you want to make sure you pay close attention to in this video so you can start to use this incredibly easy source to dominate and make tons of money. Okay, now if you don't know what solo ads are, basically people with big email lists will send out an email to their list, okay, promoting whatever link you give them. So you purchase a solo ad from a solo ad vendor. This is just a person that sells a solo ad. And what they're selling you is basically the ability to put whatever link you want in an email that they're going to blast out to their email list. Now, the cool thing with solo ads is all you have to do is buy clicks from them. Okay, so what you're purchasing is clicks, and basically when they send out that email and people open up the email, you only pay when someone clicks. Okay, so you could say, hey, I want 100 clicks. Well, you only pay when they have delivered 100 clicks on the link in that email. Okay, so it guarantees you're going to be getting clicks. You don't have to create images or test tons of keywords. If you tried Facebook ads in the past, or maybe you've tried YouTube ads or all these different things, often you're not guaranteed clicks. Okay, so you have to do a lot of testing before you even get a click to your affiliate link or website. And you have to do a lot of content creation, a lot of testing. This is very, very simple. You're just sending out an email and you only pay when they've delivered all the clicks. And again, another benefit of solo ads is you're getting people who open emails already. And so if you're promoting an affiliate offer or an internet marketing business and you are building an email list, which I highly recommend you do, you're collecting emails, you're sending people to a capture page that collects someone's email address so you can follow up later through emails rather than just sending them to an affiliate sales page. If you're doing that, you want people on your specific email list that are opening and clicking emails. So when you use solo ads, the people that you're actually getting to go to your website are people that are already opening and clicking on an email. So then when you follow up with them in the future, you promote other offers and businesses, they're more likely to click and open. Okay, so now what I want to do is break down the simple steps and then share with you how to apply these steps to dominate with solo ads as fast and as easy as possible. Now, step #1 is we need to find solo ad vendors. Okay, so there's people online, there's different places you can go to actually find vendors to buy from. Basically, what I'm going to do is recommend my #1 place to find good solo ad vendors, and this is Udemy.com. Okay, and in a second, I'm going to head to Udemy and share with you how to actually start using it and all that good stuff. It's actually free to create an account, and then once you create an account on Udemy, you can search and find vendors. There's going to be a link in the description where you can actually sign up totally for free. If you don't have a Udemy account, you can go ahead and create an account. Now, I want to point out that Udemy is great for internet marketing, make money online. If you're in health and fitness, then you want to use solo ads to promote that affiliate product. You can go to Facebook groups and find good solo ad vendors in different niches. But with this site, this is mostly make money online type email lists. Okay, so I want to share that because most people that watch my videos are also doing make money online. So this is going to be a great site to do that. Okay, now step number 2 is we need to find good sellers to buy from. Now, once you're on Udemy, which again, I'll share right after this step, there's going to be hundreds of sellers that you can actually buy from. Now, you want to filter those people out using a certain criteria. So we only want to buy from people that fit a certain criteria. So we're almost guaranteeing that we'll make money and make sales with whatever affiliate product we're promoting. So how do we actually do this? Well, once on Udemy, basically what you want to do is look for sellers that have people commenting that they've made sales. Okay, and what you want to look for is at least 3 people that have reported they've made sales within the last 30 to 60 days. Because the reason is we want to find sellers that other people have bought from that have reported making money. Because it's a good chance if they are buying and making money, that if we purchase from that solo ad vendor, we're also going to make money, right? Chances are they have a good email list of buyers, and we're also going to be able to make money. The second criteria is you want to buy from a vendor that has 80% or higher top tier traffic. So top tier traffic is basically traffic or clicks that's coming from top tier countries, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, etc. And they'll list on the site, which again, I'll share in a second, how you can see that. But basically we want to do that because if you're promoting an affiliate product, you want to target people that have money. Okay, you don't want to be promoting your affiliate link to a third world country where they can't even afford to buy. So we want to buy from sellers that have top tier traffic. And last but not least, we want to look for no bad reviews. Now, if the seller has been on Udemy for many years, chances are they have a few bad reviews. But ideally, as a general rule, we want to look for as little bad reviews as possible so we can ensure that when we purchase a solo ad, we're basically getting the best quality traffic. So now what I want to do is hop on Udemy and break down how to actually find this criteria so we can ensure the best success possible. Okay, now I'm on udemy.com right now, and this is what it looks like. Now, when you go to the top and click Find Sellers, you're going to get taken to a page that looks something like this. Now, there's a list of sellers here. Now, there's going to be a ton of sellers listed when you first log in. But what you want to do is start off right off the bat and hone in on the criteria here. Okay, now what I recommend you do is the main criteria you want to put in is the got sales. Okay, and I recommend at least 30%. This is basically going to share with you sellers that have had at least 30% of their buyers report that they made money, that they got sales. Okay, so 30% is good. Last seen, you can put within a week to make sure that they're actually active on the site. Some people create an account to sell solo ads and they don't log on for a while. That's good. Sort by, okay, sales. I typically sort where it shows me the sellers that have gotten the most people reporting they've made sales. So you see that towards the top. And then you can actually do ratings. Okay, 300 plus, you can edit this. Okay, if you want to do only 500 plus ratings, how many people have actually rated, right? How long has these people been around? You can see 948, okay, 2,521 ratings. Okay, so that's really what I start to do first off is the criteria. Now, what you want to do is go towards these top people and you want to open up in a new tab, okay, their profile. Now, what we want to actually start to do is use the criteria that I covered. Okay, now the very first criteria is to find that 3 or more people have reported making sales from this person within the last 30 to 60 days. Now, how do we actually find that out? Well, what you want to do is go down, okay, all the way down, and we want to look at comments right here. Okay, these are people that have actually bought from this solo ad vendor. Now, what you want to do is you want to look, okay, and this is the date right here, and then it's going to say got sales. Okay, these people have reported sales. So this person right here says, I had the best run ever, high opt-in rates, and achieved sales. Okay, so this is one person within the last 30 to 60 days, because you can see right here, at the time of recording this, it's June 18th. So this is within 2 days, they have reported sales. So again, this vendor, their email list has buyers on it, has people that are willing to buy, because we just saw this person was able to buy. Now, we don't know what they promoted, but chances are they promoted a make money online type of product. So that's one. Okay, we're looking for 2 more, total of 3. Okay, this person right here, 1 sale. Okay, so that's 2. Again, June 13th, that fits the criteria of 30 to 60 days. That's 2 people. Okay, we go through 3 sales. Okay, so that's 3 people. This was June 8th. So again, it's within 30 to 60 days that have reported sales. So already she checks the box of that criteria. So I'm already interested in possibly buying from her. Okay, now the next piece of criteria is top tier traffic. Okay, so you can see actually if you go to their profile, if you scroll down, it will share with you what percent of top tier countries. Now this person has 81% top tier countries. I said 80 and above. So this again checks the box of this is someone that I would potentially want to go with. And then the last thing I said, no bad ratings. Okay. Now, you can go up here and you can see that they've had 11 negative ratings and 948 positive, but this could be from a long time ago, okay? So what I recommend is you scroll through the comments and you look through, within the last 30 to 60 days, did someone complain or say, it was a bad run, okay? Now, I'm not seeing any negative, okay? June 2nd, okay? I'm not seeing any negative or any people complaining, good seller, okay? And that's within, almost 2 months, okay? So based on what I've seen, I would recommend this person. I would actually go with this person. How exactly do solo ads work? Again, unlike Facebook ads, unlike YouTube ads, unlike Google ads, you don't have to do a lot of different testing. It's very, very simple. There's a subject line here, and there's an email that you would put in here, okay? And that's it, right? That is all you have to do. There's no testing. There's no, yeah, you can test different emails, but honestly, most of these vendors are going to slightly rewrite the email you give them anyway, because they have an email list that's come to know, like, and trust them. They're used to receiving certain emails that look a certain way. So they're more often than not going to edit your email anyway. So don't get hung up on writing that good of an email. They're going to make sure that you get whatever amount of visitors that you pay for, whatever amount of clicks that you actually pay for. So they're going to ensure that you get that no matter what. So they will make sure that the email is good enough, okay? Now, if you're just completely blanking, one tip as well to actually get an email is most affiliate products will come with some email swipes, okay? Depending on where you're getting the affiliate product from, often they have at least one email swipe that you can send to an email list. Well, you can just take that swipe and put it in here, okay, and that becomes the email. And then you just want to go through and wherever you want to link off the email to go to that affiliate offer or the capture page link, you would just highlight that link and then go to here and then put the link here, okay? And then you hit okay, and that would actually highlight it. And then all you would do is right here, it says visitors, you would just go and edit how many visitors you want. Okay, then once we find a good seller that fits that criteria, we want to buy around 100 clicks, okay? A mistake people make is they find a good seller, they have an affiliate product that they want to promote, and basically they go out there and they buy 1,000 clicks right off the gate. And what happens is when they buy, oftentimes they find that, for whatever reason, that seller, even though they have that criteria, may not be resonating with the affiliate offer you're trying to promote. So then you've wasted money and you're frustrated. So we want to buy around 100 clicks. The reason is we want to test out this vendor by buying a low amount of clicks. And then after we buy about 100 clicks, we can see, are people, opting into our capture page? If we're sending them to a capture page, are people buying the affiliate product that we're promoting, right? Are people resonating with this? And if they are, then we can actually start scaling. But if they're not, we want to cut our losses, okay? Okay, then step number 4 is scaling up results. After we've done the initial test of the 100 clicks, we want to let the dust settle and observe your results, okay? So you want to ask yourself, did you get leads? Again, if you're promoting a link that goes to a capture page to collect someone's email, did you get email addresses? Did you get sales, right? Now, you want to be sure to give it some time, because the problem is, a lot of people, they run a solo ad and then the next day they're checking, oh, I didn't get any sales, this didn't work, right? So you want to give time. Now, leads is going to be virtually instant. Again, if you're doing a capture page, which is another benefit to promote a link that goes to a capture page. But if it's sales that you're looking for, again, you want to give it at least a week, okay? Because people take time to go through the emails, they take time to get followed up with, and it can take a little bit of time. So give it some time, wait about a week, and see, did this vendor, actually deliver sales for you? And if they did, go back to them, and then you want to purchase more clicks, okay? And it really depends on what you want to do. You can purchase, double what you did before. You can go to 200 clicks, or if you got a lot of results and you feel confident, you can do, 300, 400 clicks, okay? The next buy. There's really no rule, but you want to really start to understand that once you see results, now's the time to scale. Now, to share a few bonus tips with you, you can actually test more than one vendor at once. When you do that initial 100 click or so test, you can do that with 3 or more vendors at once, depending on your budget. And then that week that you're waiting, you have multiple different. You're not waiting a week and then testing another one and waiting a week and testing another. You're really shortcutting your results because you can test a lot more faster. Okay. And one other tip I want to share with you is that as you start making profits with your affiliate marketing business, you want to really stick to a rule of reinvesting your profits, okay? I recommend about 30%. So if you made $1,000 in your affiliate marketing business that week, let's say, I would reinvest 30%, okay, or $300 back into my affiliate marketing business. The reason being is because, again, if you keep to that rule, that's going to keep you accountable, and you're always going to be scaling, right? There's always going to be 30% of your profits, no matter how much or how little you make. So you're always keeping yourself accountable to reinvest your profits, and you're going to be able to scale faster and faster to make more and more money. So there we have it, my friend. I hope you got a lot of value out of learning how to start running paid traffic for affiliate marketing. If you did, be sure to go down below, like the video, also comment what was your takeaway, what you like best about it, and be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more training just like this. Last but not least, there's going to be a link directly below. People have been asking me, if they want to run solo ads, how can they actually get access to, a done for them capture page and high ticket affiliate marketing products that they can start promoting and earning up to $2,000 per commission. Well, there's going to be a link directly below to my #1 recommended affiliate program that has all the tools, all the resources, all the follow-up emails done for you. And then you can just send solo ad traffic directly to that and start to wake up to commissions. If you want access to that, there's going to be a link directly below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you over on my next video.